Okay, back with a new video. Today I have a 2014 Ford Edge. This is the limited edition with the V6 engine. And what's happening is the customer reported that every time they put gas in the car, it wouldn't start, especially when they fill up the tank. And 100% of the time, this is what causes that issue. It's called the purge valve, and it's located on top of your engine. It's pretty simple to replace. So if you have this issue, before you go out and spend hundreds of dollars at the dealership, you might want to try this yourself. Now, to replace this, you have to remove, this is an 8mm bolt. You have to loosen these two 8mm bolts. I've already did mine, so I can show you. And then you just pull up on this part, and then once you do that, there's a connector here on this side that you unclip and you get it out. Now this is the new part. This is about $70 at AutoZone. Here's the part number, PV637. So I'll show you how to replace it. So the next step, you unclip this part and put it up like this, and then there's a hose that goes to the purge valve. It has a clip at the bottom. You unclip this and then you just pull it. It might get really hard to pull. You just gotta give it a little wiggle. So this is the clip. This is what it looks like, and now you just gotta wiggle this and it comes apart. So here's the old one, and this is the new one. Now another way to check this is you blow through this hole, and if the air comes out this way, then it's bad. But if you blow through and it doesn't come out that way, then it's good. Now I already know that because I've done this multiple times. So yeah, now to put it back, you just go in reverse order, starting with this hose. One thing I forgot is that the new purge valve will come with this rubber. It's like it's some type of cushion when you put the bolt back on, and then this seal that you have to put on the new one before you install it. So now I'm gonna install this bottom part, push it in, and then make sure you put the clip back, otherwise this is gonna come out when you start driving the car. So make sure it's in like that, and then this part goes into the hole. Not sure if the camera can focus, but the hole is here, and you push it in like that, and then you put back your two 8mm bolt, and that's how you solve that issue. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate that. Thank you for watching.